Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Halala Mpilo. So guys, MaKhumalo posted this picture or these pictures of Mpilo dressed in smart casual, you guys, formal wear actually. And she captioned these pictures, "Today marks my daughter's first day at work. I wish I could have been there to share this special moment with you, but I'm grateful to Umkhulu for always being there to support. I'm so incredibly proud of you, Mdada To Noto. Thank you, Edmusa Mselegu, for this blessing. Her name is Mpilo Entle Apile Mselegu, and she tags Mpilo, you guys. Such a cute caption, and I love the fact that she acknowledges Wuti Mpilo is her child, and also Ulokuzana, Umpilo's real mother's child as well. So she acknowledges both mothers in the captions, as well as Samselegu, as well as her father for being there for Mpilo. Now guys, Mpilo also posted her own set of pictures on her Instagram, and she captioned those pictures, "I work with cars now. Pray for the vehicles, but that's why you should buy one. They need a good home." And then she put her inquiries email there, of course, if you are possibly looking at buying a car. Now I saw the name of the company that she's supposedly working for, Omoda, if that's how you pronounce it. This car that's supposedly new in South Africa or something like that. I stand to be corrected. But if I'm not mistaken, guys, once MaKhumalo working with this company, I think she was even driving their car, or she's still currently driving their car or something like that, or she was an ambassador for this company. But I just know she has some sort of association with this company. Now I read on the comments of the pictures that MaKhumalo posted, someone was saying some of us are graduates, but we still don't have jobs. Gumnandi to have parents or to have relatives who are well connected, because once you're done graduating, you get a car instantly. That kind of made me sad, you guys. But the fact that I saw Mpilo was working for that same company that MaKhumalo was working at, I think it kind of validated that person's comment to say, guys, when you have abazali who are connected with people, your struggle is not the same, or their struggle is not the same as opposed to a person, guys, who graduated and has no connections. But anyway, guys, all we can do is just pray and hope for the best. And even when other people who seem to have the connections get their breakthroughs, we still congratulate them, guys, because you know what? We just believe that God has his own perfect timing, and we will have our day where other people will also feel as if it was unfair. But anyway, it's about Mpilo. Congratulations, Mpilo. We really hope you know what? She reaches for the stars. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.